Good evening. It's been a Thursday which has been pretty mild across the country, but incredibly cloudy with bits and pieces of showery rain. But things will turn much stormier through the night tonight and into tomorrow. You can see this area of low pressure that's starting to move in from the Atlantic, and it is going to bring a spell of very, very heavy rain and also some storm force winds at times. So that could bring some travel disruption through the night and in the early hours of tomorrow, because the heaviest of the rain and the strongest of the winds look likely to be up into the far northwest. But you can see over the next few hours, we'll start to see that rain gathering. Some of the rain quite intense across southwest England and Wales. That could bring some localised issues as well as it moves its way steadily east. And it's this swirl of cloud and rain up into the northwest. It's this significant area of low pressure. Now, to the southern flank of that low, that's where the strongest of the winds are likely to be, across the north of Northern Ireland and up into western Scotland as well. The heaviest of the rain here in the morning really out to the west. So this is going to be the story if you're up and off early on Friday morning. We're likely to see widespread gusts of winds 50-60 miles an hour, but 70 to 80 mile an hour not out of the question on exposed coast. There'll be some really damaging rough seas and some intense rainfall here. Elsewhere, the rain's already swept through and can really just be sitting across East Anglia and the southeast of England. So behind it, somewhat brighter conditions and even brightening up across the southeast, but it'll stay windy through the day, and that will drive in some showers as well from time to time. The rain really not moving very far, very fast across much of Scotland. Top temperatures not quite as warm at around 8 to 12 degrees. As we move out of Friday to the start of the weekend, a brief lull in proceedings, not for long. So Saturday morning may well start off relatively quiet, but this weather front will just enhance the showers pretty much as we go through the morning. It stays windy through the day. Those showers frequent along those west-facing coasts, and some of them, with the strength of the winds, will move further inland as we go through the day, perhaps turning wintry to the tops of the mountains in Scotland. 8 or 9 degrees here. Highest values of 12 or 13 in the far southeast corner. It turns slowly but surely cooler for the second half of the weekend, but hopefully a little bit quieter. But it looks as though it'll be pretty unsettled for all.